Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So in today's video, I'm going to be cleaning my air fryer and I'm going to be using the pink stuff. So come on with me, guys. Alright, so cleaning the small appliances is no easy task, guys, but I will be using the pink stuff. So right now what I'm doing is soaking the drawer in the sink with some Dawn liquid soap, and then we're going to go ahead and clean the rest with the pink stuff. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to say thank you for supporting my channels. And I will be linking all of them below in the description box. So as I'm scrubbing this down, I'm going to go ahead and leave you to a little bit of music and I'll be in and out of the video. So doesn't this look absolutely clean and shiny? I'm loving how this looks. I always use a paper towel, guys, to wipe everything down. Now we're heading on over to the sink where we have to scrub this down. Make sure and pick up the parchment paper air fryer liners. This will make your life so much easier. So I had to soak everything because I ran out of the liners, and it's just so much easier, guys. So the air fryer liners, and believe it or not, the Dollar Tree is carrying them. Okay, so now this drawer is finally done, and that was no easy task, guys. Let's head on over to the reveal so that you can see how this turned out. So just to let you know, I absolutely love using the pink stuff, and not only do I like how it cleans, but it also has a wonderful scent. So I would give this a 9/10, yes. Let's head on over to the reveal. It looks brand new, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.